To stitch the vamp, I'm going to take, I've anchored my needle, I've got a 10-inch piece of thread, and I'm coming in from the back side of this tab in the second hole from the end. I'm leaving a tail here, which I will eventually tie a square knot with the other end of the string. I'm going into the last hole, and then the third hole from the end on the other line of holes, and now I stitch to these two stitches here, continuing in the same direction towards the right. Then I turn around. These two extra stitches, one is to hold down the edge of the tab, that one, and the other is just a little longer line I thought looked a little better. So I'm going to stitch to this end and then turn around. So I'm going into this last hole, then turning around, making sure I get that edge of the tab, and continue stitching, making sure that I get that last stitch. Sometimes I miss it. I'm being careful to not split any thread that's already in the stitching hole. So there, I've finished. Now I'm going to tie a square knot like I did on the heel section, and a double square knot, and then run the ends under a couple of stitches and then cut them off.